Welcome back, guys, CryptoFly channel. Today will be the 10 altcoins, the realistic potential gains from current prices from Gamefi Sector. Yes, tomorrow I will continue my main list and we'll make the next 10 tokens. It will be the in total like top 100 altcoins by end of this bull run, realistic targets. But today I already posted the 10 tokens from meme sector, right? And just today want to double check the Gamefi sector. For me personally, the Gamefi sector, sadly, but almost that sector. Yes, the mass adoption not happen. Nobody will go and play the Web3 games. Let's be honest. And the metaverse hype just gone. The play to earn just hype gone, like NFT. So that's the point of the narratives. Something is stay with us forever. Something will just came and gone. So it's okay. It's okay. We can't know the future. Logically, just personal my thoughts. I'm not a fan of any tokens, any sector, but logically, the Gamefi sector, it's the easiest way, like I always told you, it's the easiest way for mass adoption because just create some normal token with the great tokenomics, with the great rewards, create the great, even the simplest game, not top games like Notcoin, right? When the people waste the time, just create it. Even, create, why nobody create the chess? Maybe we got a chess. Million chess players around the world, create some token when the people will play the chess and get the rewards for their wins. Create some token, so you charge your account with that token and you play. It's pretty simple. It will be useful, but I don't know. The Gala games dying, the Sandbox dying, the Decentraland dying, so X Infinity dying. I would like to show you the charts and you will be surprised or maybe not. For me personally, it's weird. It's weird why the tokens of that project is just slowly dying and maybe it will never recover back. Once again, guys, almost all of these tokens will never hit an all-time high again, just in case. So let's start with 10 tokens and I skipped the form token because I already showed this token targets in the previous video, so no makes sense to waste the time again with the same information. So Gala game, the Sandbox, Mana, BeamX, Super, X Infinity, Ronin, not coin, Wilder World, never analyzed this before, and Echelon Prime. In the next video, guys, it will be the Illuvium, Rollbeat, Carve, and then other tokens. So the first one, Gala Games, guys. Just to be honest, I around 724, 723, I guess, I marked the chart with realistic target like 49 cents. It was my take, so it's possible to the top of the top for this token. Now I reduced my expectation, my conservative expectation. I even reduced that one, and I don't think so. The Gala Games pump even over than 20 cents. Why? Because take a look at this chart. So this is what people looking for from the altcoin season now. So like September 2020, the token should be like 0.3071 and pump to 83 cents, almost $1. The same way the people are waiting now. But miracle will not happen. Why? Because now we get more tokens in circulation supply. So imagine there 45 billion tokens in circulation supply. So even the 50 cents, it could be like 23 billion market capitalization for the Gala game. Based on what? The Gala game should hit 25 billion market capitalization. It could be like in top, I don't know, 20 or top of 50 tokens, right? So I don't know. Now the market capitalization 800 million. All-time high by market cap was like 6.19 billion at all-time high by market cap. The market capitalization and the price here, yes, at all-time high by price, at all-time high by market capitalization. So based on what now, the Gala game should pump to 50 cents and reach 25 billion market cap. So based on what? Unfortunately, guys, that's why let's be real. with the targets, based on indicators, guys, on the monthly time frame, no money inflow. Here was a money outflow. March somewhere to April somewhere to June somewhere to just all investors slowly but surely sell, sell, sell. Now the trouble areas, the good one and the bad one. So in September here, we can drop even lower a little bit to round number like 1 cent or even at 1.0 to close the monthly gap. Once again, retest it. Next one, it's a bullish target. It's, I think we will hit. It's like 8 cents 82, and the full fill of another monthly gap is like 12 cents. So imagine just around like 45 billion supply, 20 cents. Even with the 20 cents, it could be like 9 billion market cap. So I'm not sure even about that number. So 12, 5.4, 15, maybe take a look there. The realistic target like 15 cents. It's will be around like all-time high by market capitalization of previous cycle when we traded at around $1. So that's the point when the more tokens added into circular supply, and it's a problem. It's a big problem, guys. So from now, like 12 cents. Anyway, it's like 1,000%. Yes, now of course a lot of tokens underrated. So 5.4 billion market capitalization, 12 cents. Anyway, it's like 10x. So yes, let's add Gala game to this area. But guys, I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this crazy pumps. If you believe in crazy gains like 1,688, maybe we'll see some amazing altcoin season. Every token will skyrocket to the moon. Just they once again start printing the money. All stable coins will inflow into Gamefi sector. But like you can see, guys, unfortunately, we can't just wait from some sector, some crazy gains. If this sector are just dying, nobody played this, even the old games. Why? And especially if the people play, why the token of this project should pump? People can play without the tokens in that games. I guess yes. Just like a gamer, right? So technically, guys, we underrated because we around the buy line on the weekly time frame. So the first trouble area is 3.74. It's not this video is not analysis, you know. That's why if you're interested in deep analysis, just go to a free Telegram channel, link in the description below. Find the link, go to search tool in that channel, type the ticker name and find old posts. So you'll understand the logic. All main bull run plans I shared with you in 2023, 2024, updates posted. So now I just showed you the potential gains. So my take is realistic, good gains for Gala Games. It's like 5.4 billion market capitalization at 10x. Probably possible. Take a look at the sandbox and the same story. Capitalization at all-time high, 7.44 billion. This one, charts, amazing run. The price was like, the all-time high was $8.34, and now the token is 29 cents. Still from all-time low, like 919% from that all-time low. Technically, we not invalidate, we just trade way under 20 cent block. So yes, we can say we invalidate the FIB. I can delete it. So now the next trouble area, it's like $1.79. We trade once again, tested the buy line. So like technical picture, guys, now a lot of tokens underrated and good time, in a good position, in a good time, in a good accumulation zones to buy now. Based on the risk ratio, August, September, it's usually the good months. The plan, I always give this the same plan. It's kind of boring, but 100% profit, withdraw initial deposit, forgot about the tokens, right with the free tokens to next targets, zero risk. So capitulation, guys, if we sweep the low, what we did here in January, so June 21, is it possible to drop to 13 cents? Yes. Should we drop? Basically, I hope not. All right, but we count from current price, so at least $1.84, I guess, like speculation to close the monthly gap. 528 possible, 800 possible. And so let's count with the capitalization 2.45 million to 3. So $2 stop. 2,450 millions, correct. $2, 4.9 billion. Oh, I guess it's like 49. Need to add commas. 49 billion. So everything okay. Like 4.9, around 5 billion market capitalization for the sandbox at $2 price, and $2.68 to close this monthly gap possible. So based on risk ratio, also everything okay with the sandbox now. And it will be like 5 billion market capitalization at a $2.60, for example, price. 8x. Possible, like speculation. But if you wait the all-time high, 2,800%, 800%. So it's all-time high should be like 850. I don't think so, guys. Let's be real. I don't think so. The sandbox will hit the 20 billion market capitalization. So imagine at the all-time high, it hits like everybody talking about it, sandbox and the central lands, it hits only 7 billion market capitalization, right? And now we should pump like 20 billion. I don't know. Everybody should start playing the sandbox like a all world playing Minecraft. Only in this case, I guess there will be the future. Highly recommend you if you need the analysis of the main bull run plan. I highly recommend you go and find the main video. Mana, Decentral Lands, absolutely the same story, guys. Almost 2 billion market capitalization, right? Almost 7 billion, 7.75 billion was at the all-time high by market cap. Now 29 cents price. So the same story, the same chart, absolutely. So here we trade, test the buy line, no money inflow yet. Next step, it's a 51 cent, 59 cents, bullish one, and the monthly gap. $2.21, $1.86, so most likely $2.20. So it's around like 4.5 billion market capitalization possible. Yes, I guess. Even on the monthly time frame, the Mana is underrated. So I repeat again, based on risk ratio. Now, any token, guys, risky, correct? But some of them got a bigger potential, right? So 650 from now, more than real to see. So let's add the sandbox to this point, Mana to this point, yes, also. So it's like conservative price targets. Yes, it's not like crazy. Can we go to $4 to 8 billion market capitalization? Yes, possible. But this is the first trouble area. I don't believe in new all-time high. I don't see any reason why we have to pump like that to 14 billion market capitalization. Can we pump? Yes, but we get a lot of fresh new tokens, on the market. That's why, yes, at least 6x, 7x possible for a month. Conservative one. Superverse, it's tradable on the Binance. I guess I never analyzed this token. So here we leave it the liquidity pool, buy side liquidity. We sweep it. Let's extend the FIB, right? This one. So all levels legit. Here we're trying to hold the line inside 27 block. This block, usually it's okay time for accumulation. This one. Next step is a 3.9 and 6.78. That one. Based on trade on signal to sell was here in December 2024. Now no signal to buy. We test till penny, almost till penny buy line, right? So once again, September, if the September will be bearish one, we can test fundamental value again. It's 44 cents. Got it. Take profits $1.18. Next step is $3.05, $3.09, and $6.78. If we check the capitalization, 619 million. Highest point of the market cap was 1 billion. What the number? 19 million. So 1.9 billion. So imagine at the 0.5 level by FIP of that correction, $3.08, it will be that twice bigger market cap than it was at all-time high by market capitalization. And that's it. 6.7, it's 4 billion market capitalization, guys. I don't think so. Possible, but for me, it's hard to imagine how we can hit the $6.78. If we count here from low, that's once again, if you didn't watch the previous videos, guys, everything should be in time. This stock already pumped like 2,800%, even more. 3,000 here from that low, 3,000. Good profit, good. So 30x, right? This one is will be 4,000. So if I could made it the same type of videos around here, yes, of course we could count and I could add this token to this area. But we count from now. Where that one? So from now it's kind of more conservative one. 644. So it's 300%. And or market capitalization will be twice bigger. If you wait like 4.14 billion market capitalization for the Superverse, it could be like 950. Possible, but all right. Anyway, let's add it. Let's add it to this area. Let's give some positive. Let's talk about a good points. But guys, you remember this channel is realistic one. I would like to show you the BeamX initiation accumulation pump model on Gato here on daily time frame, how it works, why these levels are legit. Take a look. We use one daily candle close. Highly recommend you go and check how to work with this model here. And believe it or not, but after the years, we can come back and test the alleged levels here. Take a look where we stopped. 38, and with the signal to buy. Retest at 27 blocks. So capitulation zone again, it's 0.2062. This one. Now the price is 0.2076. It's merit circle MC is migrated to Beam with ratio 1:100. I never understand that migration with absolutely random redenomination. How do they count? I have no idea. 52 billion supply, guys. $1. Everybody who wait $1, think twice. 52 billion market capitalization for the BeamX. It's almost impossible. That's why even the halfway, like I don't know, 50 cents. It's also almost impossible. So technically, we retest that level. If we will see the capitulation in the next bear market, I guess we will drop even lower. So this done. Weekly, we trade under fundamental value. Usually it's good. We formed the actual highs on the weekly. Usually also is good. Why? Because it's like a magnet for the market makers to come back and sweep that liquidity pools, that one. Signal to sell, drop, buy back, sell, drop, buy back. Now we trade under fundamental value. This is a take profit line. 2 cents 33, exit line 2 cents 62. Technically, yes, it's possible to see the all-time high from now. That's why it's I think it's over than 5x. So definitely. So here it's just a sweep, like 5 cents, for example, round number 560%. If this token is not a pure scam and everything will be okay. I mean, everything will be okay. I mean, if the centralized exchanges will not delist this token. What the bonus is DWF Labs, market maker of this project, funds and the bakers. So I guess they are market maker also. So just in case, guys. So that's why if they accumulate their bags this same period, I guess they get a plan to put the price so high. That's why 5 cents 5 cents, so where that one banks 52 billion, just in average. 5 cents, 2.6 billion market capitalization, 2.6 at 5 cents, so 2.3 was at all-time high by market cap. So yes, 5 cents. I think it's possible. I think it's possible. So I don't think so. The end of bull run will be for this talking like 2 cents or 2 cents and 5. So 7 cents. It sounds less realistic, but anyway, it can be here. Take a look at the Axie Infinity. Recently, the Ronin bridge was hacked. Please do your own research and proceed carefully. Why in this space nothing can work just normally? Not good, just normally. You can't even imagine. You can go to the Certic audit company, just double check their quarterly reports about hacks, how many hacks happened, and how much money people lost because of hacks. Some protocols, some hackers stole some issues, with the protocols. So a lot of stuff, weird stuff happened. 166 million supply. Guys, it's really sad how the potentially trillions industry just dying like this one. So let's adjust this color because I can't see it. So $100, just to be honest, I don't think so. We're gonna hit the $100. So 165 million price. 165 million supply, sorry. 165 million, one more zero. $100, guys. 16.5 billion market capitalization for Axie. Why? Just why? Even with $100, it will be just 50% of that correction. Sorry, guys. Let me close this bookmarks. So Axie, I don't think so. We're gonna hit the $100. Of course, for the everybody who invested it could be like like a trigger and round number. $103 if something happened. If we'll see again some marketing campaigns, some new narratives around the Gamefi sector, maybe. But honestly, I'm not sure. I don't think so. The picture is so sad. Here, September, it's only 3 accumulation. Here is the same accumulation. So at least we will pump, I guess, to $43 to close the monthly gap. Next one, it's 89. Maybe at 89, we're going to stop and will not hit the all-time high. But again, hard to imagine why the Axie Infinity should pump to 14 billion market capitalization this cycle. By gains, that run, it was, of course, it was top performer like 36,000% gains. From now, even $89, guys, it will be like amazing, just amazing result with 4.53 1,000% gains. And that's why I guess the more realistic one will be like if the miracle will happen, right? It's a test of the zero level, 2,000% gains from the bottom. From now, where are we now? Here, it's 1,700. Honestly, I don't think so. Even we're gonna hit that 1,700. So let's count $41. 6.7 billion market capitalization for Axie Infinity. Hard to imagine, but guys, everything possible basically in crypto. Let's add it to this list. Maybe. But just be careful, guys. Just be careful with the Axie, with all of these tokens. Ronin, there's no safe haven, guys. No safe haven in the crypto. And if you chase some big potential gains, you can get the big potential risk and losses. So just in case. 393 million supply, 387 market capitalization. All-time high by market cap was by 1.36, 55 cents now. Ronin already pumped it, guys. I posted the video about Ronin. And here, 2,000%. So if we already sweep the high. So if, imagine, At least, guys, I'm more than sure we're going to test $2.32. It's a take profit line, exit line, and with the sweep of that liquidity pool, what do we leave it in December 24? 264. So this is a conservative one. Price targets, it's 300, even more, 370 approximately, like new all-time high 700. So if you believe in new all-time high for Ronin, let's say like $5 anyway will be like a magnet, right? 693 693 millions, $5, 3.4 billion market capitalization, twice bigger. Possible, but risky. Anyway, not coin, guys. It's not even looks fun, because never say never. Here's the charts around here. You remember after listing I posted the video about the zone of interest. I mark, so here we traded to almost 3 cents. I mark the zone of accumulation, first zone of interest, second one. We stop at till penny. Why? Because the market makers deliver the price by algorithm, and initiation accumulation pump model can help you identify that simple algorithm and work with that zones. Invalidation of idea if the token dump on the listing price. So I don't think so. The Notcoin will hit the new all-time high. One take. I guess the liquidity pool, this one sweep, the chart absolutely well one will be logically to sweep and finish the ride. So from now, the sweep of that pool can be like 844%. It's okay. It's okay. If you believe in new all-time high, like 2,000% gains, maybe, but I don't think so. The situation looks like SHIB, right? Shiba Inu in 2021. Maybe we'll see something like this one to 5 cents. I don't even turn on the calculator because 99,433. All right, let's count just 99 billions. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 5 cents, guys. $4.9 billion market capitalization, not coin. Why? Twice bigger. If we repeat the success of SHIB, and repeat that type of pumps, 2,400 possible. But at least, guys, here, conservative one is like speculation 900. So yes, more than real to see. Let's add the Notcoin here to this area. Maybe like speculation also. If the tone will hit the new all-time high, maybe not will follow. But risky, so risky. You can't even imagine how big risk with that tokens. Wilder World, never analyzed this token before, guys. The volume, good one on the KuCoin, 1.5 million. So this is a chart. Money outflow even now, and only signals to sell. The main money inflow been here in April. The price comfortable for whales, so we can admit like 11 cents. So here, $3.21 if this token will be still alive, right? From now, the full feel is like 698, but I'm not sure about all-time high. 383. So guys, not all tokens should pump to the billions, right? So I guess in this, around here. So like a trigger, right? The logical exit point, monthly fulfill logical exit point. Here, we need to wait the money outflow. Now we can see retest 26 cents 45. If we will see that retest from that entry, potential gains will be like over than 10x. If this stock it will be still alive, guys. I don't know about that token. Nothing. Just Echelon Prime, the last token in this list, $2.38. At least this token tradable on Coinbase with over than 3 million volume. This is a chart what I shared with you before. So we're done with the monthly gap. We're done with that range, you know, what we traded. So around here, I posted the video in Zone 23. So technically everything playing out good. And if we extend it, aligns right. The worst case, guys, if we form a deviation at the bottom here. But technically we underrated. So we trade under fundamental value. It's $4.8161. Take profit $12. So even from now, here it's 500 possible to see. So it's not some unrealistic gains, you know, for the token. If we talk, for example, about a sweep of this high, it's anyway over than 5x. Because this is a low liquid tokens, guys. Low cap, I mean, here 154 million market capitalization. 1.51 was the all-time high. Let's say 62 million. Let's say 63 million supply to $12. 7. So it's 7.5 billion. It's hard to imagine, guys. 12. It's a 12. But anyway, I guess, yes, we can hit that target. At least this one. If this token will be still exist on Coinbase and other exchanges. This token already performed like 2000. But anyway, I guess over than 5x we can see from that token. But risky. Kind of risky. About all-time high, guys, I don't want to even talk. $35, 22 billion market capitalization, echelon prime. Guys, I repeat again, if the Web3, if the Gamefi sector, if the metaverse once again pumps because of some good narrative around, it's possible to see all of that crazy numbers. But now we don't see even the Illuvium dying. Did you check the Illuvium chart? This one. Imagine from 1,700 to $15.